So when you first walk in, this is what the apartment looks like. Kind of just a little overview. Here is our front door, and right next to it I have a little sign that says Property of South Florida. I've had that like in every apartment that I've lived in. It's just kind of like follow me everywhere through college. And then to the left of the door, we just have this little sign with a little quote. It's like chalk and then a little key holder, and I just have my keys hanging right there. On this side of the apartment, I am in a 4-bedroom. So my room is right here, and one of my roommates' rooms is right here, and I will go into my room later. Right here we just have our laundry, and we just put this little like greenery around it and like a burlap hanging decoration thing. So it's pretty self-explanatory. We just have our washing machine, vacuum, and then we have this little stand that keeps all of our detergent and stuff. For the kitchen, we just have the fridge right here in that little basket we normally keep like extra paper towels. We have a toaster oven here that did not come with the apartment. We brought it with us. And on top I have my little recipe box. I don't really put that many in there. I just kind of use it as a decoration. And then we have the lid to this little container that keeps like our spatulas and spoons and stuff. What's really nice about this apartment is there's a lot of storage. So all of these cabinets and stuff we get to use. We just have the stove and microwave. We have this little coffee area with a cute little quote and our sugar thing, and then the Keurig. And here's like basically where we keep all of our food. It's like the pantry. We each have like a shelf, and then all of these just have like plates and bowls and cups and stuff. And then we have like our pans and baking stuff down there. Over here, I think this is like the either water or like air handler. And then another little board quote. And then over here on the wall, we have little boards. They just have cute quotes in them as well. We definitely like the little quotes and like rustic looking decorations. We get a lot of these from like Target, and they just look super cute, all kind of tied together. And we liked having this one in the middle that just had a little bit of greenery. Here we just have our trash can on the side of the island. We use this little mat whenever we're drying our dishes. We can just like set them there, and we normally have fruit in that bowl. And we just have our paper towels, the sink, and this like gold container that we normally put flowers in. We were trying to get some kind of like white flower or just like greenery, because the sunflowers don't really like go with our stuff, but for now it's fine. And then we have our really cute placemats. They're kind of like grayish shimmering kind of color, which is really cute and just ties in with the finishes really nice. And we also have the bar stools here that came with the apartment. Over on the other side of the apartment is my other 2 roommates' bedrooms, and we also have a little anchor picture right there. And here is our living room. So over here we have this like folding white chair that we brought. It did not come with the apartment, and we just have a little pillow on that. I have my little letter board. We just tried to come up with like a cute quote, and this is like college related, I guess, so we just put that on there. And we have this little like media console, I guess. We took out like the speaker and stuff. Like, I mean, there's a couple things down there, but we took out the main like stereo because it was really big. And we just have another cute little board, another letter thing, and then we have these cute little vases that say Home Sweet Home with greenery, and then we have our lights like strung around. I love this little part of our living room. It looks really cute. And then we just have our TV hanging above that. Over here we have a chair. It's actually like a blue color, and we just didn't like it, so we covered it with this gray like big blanket. I just have like a throw on here too with like the fringe and also the cute little sequins pillow that somebody else brought. It just made it look a lot better than the blue underneath. And this is the door to our balcony. We have little 3 little mirrors around the edge of them just to kind of add something to the wall. Out on the balcony, we just have this rug with some detail on it, and my roommate Savannah has these little plants that she keeps out here. They're really cute, and they just add something out here because it was just totally plain. And then we have a floor lamp here in the corner. I also had this in our old dorm apartment. And we also have the couch. We just have a couple pillows here. A teal one, a striped kind of bluish gray one, and then that's actually an outdoor pillow I got with the leaves on it. And at first I like felt like it didn't really go with anything, but it's really cute now because we have this little tray that has cactuses on it, and then it definitely like ties in better. We also have this hanging tapestry, just like a neutral color with the same fringe detail, which I think is really cute, and another gray throw blanket. So like I said, on this coffee table we got this little tray. It has like gold detail and the cactuses, and we just keep the remote on here. This little starfish glass thing with those like aroma, like the scent things, I forgot what they're called. And these little coasters I got, they're kind of like rusty, but they have USF on them, which is really cute. We actually have those like adult coloring books under there just in case we ever get bored. And over to the side we have our cute little lamp from Target as well, and another one of the coasters I brought just with a little placemat, and also a wax warmer. It always smells so good. I talk about it all the time because my roommate Caitlin works at Yankee Candle, so she always hooks us up. And if you come around here, you just loop back to the hallway with my bedroom, and I will go ahead and show you that now. So right when you walk in my bedroom, you just have my bed, obviously. I just have this plain white comforter from, I think it's from Target. It's like my favorite comforter ever. I have it on my bed at home, and I've just had it in like all of my dorms and apartments. And I just have this throw blanket. It's just like a gray color with the little tassels on the end. I think that's from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And then on the top of my bed, it comes with like this kind of shelf headboard thing. So I have one of the letter light boxes, and it just says Zeta Tau Alpha on it. A little board that says Inspire, picture frame, and I also have string lights strung along the top of it. I always have lights in my room, and I think it just makes it a lot more cozy, and I have them plugged in like over in the corner. Above my bed, I have those 3 hanging mirror kind of things, so I think I had those in my dorm last year. A lot of these things I had in my previous dorms, and I just kind of like added things and took things away. Over to the side of my bed, I have my huge picture frame. I think it was actually from Walmart. John actually gave it to me, and it was black, and I just painted it white. I just have pictures of like my friends and family, and I have those hanging right here. On the side of my bed, I have my little bedside table. This did not come with the apartment. This is something I bought separately, and I'm pretty sure it was only like $15 at Ross, so that's why I picked it up, because I saw it and I thought it was such a good deal. I just have a bunch of like random kind of picture frames here. I have my plaque from my little, so it just says Big Paige, Little Sarah, and I put that there along with a picture of me and my big Sarah. So my little and my big are both named Sarah, and a picture of me and my friend Ashley from high school. I also have a coaster, my salt lamp, a little gold pea, and a little plate thing that says XOXO. And I just keep my ring on there when I'm going to bed at night. I take it off. The side of my bed actually comes with these little cubbies, and I just keep a box of tissues and some extra candles. I have like an Altered State candle, Yankee candle, I think another Bath & Body Works down there. And down in that one, I have my wireless speaker. And underneath, I just have like some cords. All the cords for these I just kind of stuff in that bottom one so you can't see it. And that's just my phone charger. I keep kind of like wrapped around there. I actually didn't talk about my pillows. I don't know exactly where all of these are from, but I think these 2 like tan ones in the back are probably TJ Maxx, Marshalls. I think these all are pretty much from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, because that's where I shop for all my home decor pretty much. And I just have like a fluffy one and a sequins one. This is actually a pillow cover. I think I got this one on Amazon actually. And I just have it over in an old pillow that I had. Over in the corner of my room, I have just my full-length mirror. Here I am, hello. I have it like on this little crate just because it's too short. If I just keep it on the ground, it doesn't really like show me everything. So I have that with a little white fluffy rug, my guitar, and one of those little scent like wallflower thing. Is it Febreze? Airwick? It's Airwick. Those little wallflowers, but mine's actually out. And my apartment came with like that little thing in the wall that has a USB. So I just have my watch charger there. Then I have one of these hanging yarn boho looking kind of things. I forgot exactly what they're called. I really love that there. I think it kind of pulls all my decorations together in this little corner. And then over here I have my desk. The desk came in like 2 parts. I have like these things of drawers, and then it's the top part of the desk here. So over here I just have a few notebooks, my watch like I said, I have my warmer back there, I have a little notepad and my game day button. I also have a little coaster right here. Each of these drawers I have just like different school stuff or random stuff. This first one I just have, this whole envelope has like receipts and stuff. I have my lighter for my candles, some extra things for the car, like the smelly things, a stapler, the letters for my light box, some essential oils, Zeta ribbons. Next, this is a little more school related. I have some index cards, glue, tape, scissors, ruler. Last drawer is a little bit deeper. This is where I have all my notebooks, and sometimes I keep textbooks in there during the year. And now on top of my desk, I always have my makeup on my desk area. I never really keep it in my bathroom just because I like the natural light from the window, and it's also kind of just like cute decoration. So I have this coaster here, my Gucci Guilty perfume. All my brushes are in these little containers with little beads and stuff. And back here I have all my palettes, so it's just this gold divider, and I have my Morphe palettes, Anastasia, Too Faced, and my little light up mirror. So this is one of those mirrors that like flips around and then it turns on right here. I have my bigger mirror here, which also just makes the room feel a lot bigger. I like having a lot of mirrors. I have just like a little Zeta info card there. And above my mirror I have this string of pictures, which was in my last room just hanging on the wall. And the rest of my makeup here, just in these little containers. And also my computer, which is plugged in. Underneath I have like a power strip, as well as my trash can. And this is my desk chair. This actually isn't what originally came with the apartment, but my other one broke. So it was like black and kind of cushioned and would like bend back and forth. But I was like sitting in it and it like broke when I was leaning back, so I had to get a new one. This is just the one they brought me, like the maintenance people, but now it's just like a plain hard white like ceramic chair, which is kind of dumb, but whatever. Next to my desk I have my dresser. So these are all just full of my clothes. I'm not going to go through all those. Just a bunch of t-shirts, shorts and stuff. And then in my closet I have like hanging things. Up above I have just this little canvas I made one night. I actually made that with my little before she was my little. It was like one of those days we have just like meet the new members and like kind of see who we're like clicking with, and we made that together. She has one too. This is my Anthropology volcano candle, which is actually empty, but I just use it for like cute decoration. And then I have another little succulent plant, just more decoration. I have my jewelry holder that I hang like all my everyday kind of stuff. I have more in my closet, but that's just kind of things I reach for more often. And over here is like my touch lamp that I have in every room all the time. Here I just have 2 pairs of glasses that I normally grab pretty often. And on the wall I kind of added this just like randomly. It was in one of my old rooms and I just thought it looked cute there. And next to my dresser is the door to my closet, and the closets are actually so big here, which is amazing. I have so much space, but I actually only use like the top row. There's another row right there to hang things, but I'd rather just leave that space open. There's actually some things missing. Like normally all of these shoes, like the empty spaces are filled, but I'm actually packed up right now to go on vacation, so some of my things are missing out of my closet. But to the left when you first walk in, this was the rest of my jewelry I was talking about, just in this little holder. My belts, some extra hangers, my laundry. I have bathing suits in this bag, but I have like those little slippers on top just because I throw them in there when I'm not using them. I have my tripod back there. Underneath I have files like in that cabinet. Up above I have my little bear that John got me. I normally will like put him in my bed when I'm going to sleep, but when my bed is like made, I like to just keep him up here. I have some random purses, like a little wristlet, wallet, some more handbags. I have my baseball caps here and my like beach floppy hat. I have a pair of boots up there just because it's like colder weather now, so I brought some of my cold stuff from home. In this section here in front of the rest of my clothes, I just keep like my longer dresses and jumpsuits because they won't like hang over the other shelf. But I also just keep my robe right here. And then like I said, I have some jumpsuits, longer skirts, and then I have my color-coded closet, which I always do. I do it at home, I do it in all my rooms. I love having it color-coded, and I also did something new this year. I got all black velvet hangers. So that was like a task because I used to have all the different colored like plastic ones, and I just thought it was gonna look so much nicer if I got the matching black ones. But I had to buy like 5 packs of hangers, but I'm actually still running out. This is only because I took stuff out for vacation, but after that I have like no extra ones. Up above I just have my box for my printer, which actually has no ink, so we never use it. And I just haven't bought any more, and an empty hamper that I used to use to hold like bags and stuff, but I just keep it up there in case I need extra storage. Another storage box. I mostly use these things to move here, and I just never took them back. As well as my toolkit up there, which I also just got for Christmas. Even though my closet is color-coded, at the end I just have my jackets, like no matter what color they are, I just keep them at the end of my closet. On the floor I have all of my shoes, and I really need a shoe rack because these are just honestly just thrown everywhere. I mean, they're organized, but still I don't really like them just sitting on the floor. To the left I have my backpacks. I have a pink Victoria's Secret one and my Zeta backpack. And then all my shoes, these are not really in any particular order. I just have like mostly sneakers back there, some sandals, heels. I mostly keep my boots in this corner. That's why a lot of them are not there, because it's gonna be cold where we're going. Some heels, more sandals, and boots up there. In that little crate I keep my jeans just because they're easy to grab and I don't like have to hang them or put them in my drawers. It's just extra space to put those because I don't really have any room in my dresser. And next to my closet, it just leads right into my bathroom. The bathrooms here are also really good size. I love like the counter space. It has a nice like granite and finishes. When you first walk in, to the left I have another one of those little hanging things to match above my bed. A little, what are these called? Trivet, maybe? To keep your like hot tools on so it doesn't burn your counter. I have this little standing metal thing that just keeps some like lotion, face stuff. I have bath bombs on the bottom, and then my cotton, what are they called? Cotton balls and Q-tips in that little thing. And I also have that little mini mirror that I use kind of to just look at the back of my hair when I'm like straightening it or curling it. Here I am again. The sink, obviously, I have the soap dispenser. It's just clear and it has like the gold hardware on the top with my marble toothbrush holder. In this drawer, I just have my like everyday. This is kind of annoying. When you pull the drawer open, it like hits the door, so I have to like move it. I just keep like my straighteners, curlers, hairbrush, everyday kind of stuff. And under here, I keep my towels, face towels, mostly bath towels. The middle cabinets, I just have a bunch of different stuff, mostly like cleaning supplies. That's nail polish stuff over there. Extra paper towels, extras of things, extra toothpaste, razors, lotion. And also on the back of my door, I have this hanging hook for extra towels. I normally keep a little candle right here. And right now I just have frosted cranberry from Bath & Body Works. I have my trash can down there. These cabinets, I really like, there's a lot of storage here as well. I have my letters above that my Big made me. And in here, I just have like a bunch of different stuff. Face lotion, hair stuff, masks, my like allergy pills and vitamins. Extra little trash bags, dust or Swiffer things, and tanning stuff up there. Next is my shower curtain. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I also have these little bath mats. I think all of this was from either Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I keep one of my other bath towels here with a little like rose-colored hand towel and these little picture frames. This was kind of random putting these here, but I had them hanging up on like my little gallery wall in my dorm and I didn't know what to do with them, so I just thought they would like work there. So yeah, that is pretty much everything in my bathroom. And here is a full overview of my entire bedroom.
I'm your beautiful red baby.